Hello, this is your guide for Tuesday, May 19th in Work Packet 5. Please write your name here so I know who did the work. Let's start with our printing practice. Please write neatly and don't forget your finger spaces. Read and write the sentences. Let's start with the first one. I saw fireworks in the night sky. Okay, so down here with your pencil or pen, uppercase I, try to touch the top and bottom line. I, finger space, saw. We're using that dotted line to tell us when to stop our letters. I saw fireworks. I want this to touch the top. Fireworks in the night sky. Have you ever seen fireworks before? Pretty spectacular when it's done right. I saw fireworks in the night sky. Make sure lowercase g goes under the line like you're fishing. You're dropping your fish hook in there. In the night sky, period. And lowercase y under the line. I saw fireworks in the night sky. We ate hot dogs for lunch. Yummy. We ate hot dogs for lunch. That sounds delicious. What do you like to put on your hot dogs? I like cheese, onion, mustard, ketchup, relish, sauerkraut, all that good stuff. Okay, moving on. By the way, watch another story on Epic Books at the end of the video. That one's all about nutrition and how your body grows with food, like calcium, protein, that kind of stuff. But let's do our work. Our diagram of the day, the letters BB. Sounds like B, like bubble and gobble. B, B, B. Sounds just like the B sound, but there's two B's. Let's practice the B sound, like in bubble and gobble. Gobble, gobble. So bubble, gobble. B, B, B. Sounds the same. That's why it's a digraph. BB, BB. And we actually want our B's touching that top line. So finger space, start at the top, touch the bottom, curve up to the middle, and then the same thing right next to it. And now finger space, same thing. B, 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 finger space. Oh, they shouldn't be touching. You don't want your letters touching each other. So it's okay to fix your mistakes. It's a lot better than just leaving it like that. Okay, and please finish the rest of the line. Down here, draw 10 bubbles coming from the bubble blower. So 10 bubbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's all the bubbles we need. Add BB to the words below to complete a sentence. When jelly moves, it wobbles. Wobbling jelly. It wobbles. You know what? We know all these blanks are going to be BB. Let's put them in there, but we're still going to read the sentences, okay? I'm not cheating here. We're just being efficient. When a turkey talks, it gobbles. Gobble, gobble. The spider spun a lot of webbing to catch flies. Spider-Man, Spider-Man. Babies babble before they learn to talk. Cuckoo, caca. The mouse nibbled on the cheese. Okay, so let's see. Our BB words were wobbles, gobbles, webbing, babble, and nibbled. Next, it is time for your daily language review. It's so important to know how to write. Because if you're good, then you don't know what you're talking about, even though you might have really great ideas. But if you can't communicate them correctly, well, you're not helping yourself. So let's learn to write together. Fix the sentences. Number 1 and 2 have mistakes. If I underlined something, we have to fix it. Like right here, here, and here. That means there's something we have to change. Let's look at number 1. A snail are biggest than a ladybug. So we're comparing two things, so it can't be biggest. It's going to be bigger. So not biggest, but bigger. A snail are bigger than a ladybug. A snail is bigger than a ladybug. Everything else is fine. Always start a sentence with an uppercase letter. A snail, please try your best to make your letters touch the line. Finger space. A snail is bigger. Make sure your G, you're going fishing, drop it down. Drop the fish hook. Bigger. Finger space. Than a ladybug. Period. A snail is bigger than a ladybug. That is very true. Number 2. That is the bigger dog that I ever seen. That is the bigger dog that I ever seen. That don't sound good, do it? That is the biggest. Now we actually want to say biggest. Because we're not comparing it to anything. We're saying it's the biggest one. So instead of bigger, it's going to be, let's use red, biggest. So it's the opposite of the first one. That is the biggest dog that I ever seen. That I have ever seen. Right? That's how you write and speak correctly. That's how you let people know, hey, I know what I'm talking about. Everything else looks good to me. That is the biggest. Let's go fishing. Drop the fish hooks. That is the biggest dog that I have ever seen. And exclamation mark because you're excited. Wow, that's a really big dog. Down here, read the sentence. Circle the word that means very big. Number 3, the gigantic whale swam under the boat. So, which word means very big? The gigantic whale swam under the boat. Gigantic, very big. Circle the word that is the opposite of light. Opposite. So happy, sad, fat, skinny. One more. Let's see. Nighttime, daytime. Yeah. Opposite of light. So what's the opposite of light? Is it sun, dark, yellow, or dim? Light, dark, light, dark, light, dark. It's opposite, so it gets a big circle. Yeah. That's the one. Yeah. Let's go. Moving on. Ow, my fingy. I squished my fingy on the smartboard. Does that make you happy? Oh no. My fingy. Okay, it's story time. The fat cat. I've been waiting to get to this story because I love cats. And this is about a fat cat. Can't wait to read it with you. Please read the story and answer the questions. In this story, you'll see the at family, A-T, at fat, nap. Oh no, that's P, sorry. Looking for AT and not someone's name, just words. So we had fat, fat, and mat, and rat. And the story is called The Fat Cat. And on this picture, we have a kitty cat. He looks kind of fat, and he's on a scale. And he looks surprised. He says, wow, I'm way fatter than I thought I was. Number 1, what is the cat's name? Number 2, where did Pat like to nap? Number 3, what did Pat not like to get? Let's read it. I have a fat cat. My cat's name is Pat. Pat likes to eat all day. Pat likes to take naps on the tan mat. My cat will not go get a rat. I had a chat with Pat. I told Pat, you have to go and get the rat. Pat did not get off the mat. Wow. Normally cats love to chase rats and mice, so they must be really fat. So number 1, what is the cat's name? I have a fat cat. My cat's name is Pat. What is the cat's name? Pat. Period. Number 2, where did Pat like to nap? Pat likes to eat all day. Pat likes to take naps on the tan mat. The tan mat. Where did Pat like to nap? The tan mat. Period. Number 3, what did Pat not like to get? My cat will not go get a rat. You have to go get the rat. Pat did not get off the mat. He does not like to go get a rat. What did Pat not like to get? We need to say a rat. A rat. What did Pat not like to get? A rat. Period. When I was growing up, I had 2 cats, and they loved to chase mice, and they would actually catch them and then bring them home and try to give them to us. They thought it was like a present. Hey, I got some food. And we would say thank you, but, we'd be kind of like, ew. But at least they were happy and hunting and not fat. Okay, math time. Use addition to check the answer of subtraction. For example, is 46 take away 27 29? 46 take away 27 equals 29. Is that correct? So the way we can check this is first add the shaded numbers. So 46 take away 27 equals 29. If we actually add this number and this number, it'll let us know if we got the right answer. If the answer is 46, 29 is the correct answer. So what that means is this number plus this number should equal this number if we did it right. But you see, we'll add it over here. 9 plus 7 equals 16. Carry the 1. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 56 is not 46. 46, let's use highlighter. 46 take away 27 equals 29 is not correct. The correct answer is 19. Okay, let's just check if they're lying to us. So that means 27 plus 19 should equal 46. 7 plus 9 equals 16. Carry the 1. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 3 plus 1 equals 4. 46. You see, we can use these last 2 numbers to check if we got the right answer. It's a really good thing to do if you're not sure. Check the answers to each question. Put a check mark in the space provided if the answer is correct. Otherwise, put a cross, an X, and find the correct answer. Okay. So I did number 18 for you, and it asks us 73 take away 24, and it tells us it equals 59. So if we add 24 and 59, will it equal 73? So let's check over here. Let's use blue. So we'll put the big number on top. 59 plus 24. 9 plus 4 equals 13. Carry the 1. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 6 plus 2 equals 8. 83. That's not the right answer. Okay, so that means we need to put an X, and we'll put the real answer because it's not 59. So we did the work here. 73 take away 24. 3 take away 4, can't do it. Borrow from the 7. 7 turns to 6. 3 turns to 13. 13 take away 4 equals 9. 6 take away 2 equals 4. So 59 was wrong, and the right answer was 49. Okay. Okay, so I'm sorry, the part when I did this, that's also what I did right over here. Okay, let's do one more together. Okay, so we're on question 19. So they're telling us 60 take away 45 equals 15. So we'll check by adding 45 plus 15. If it equals 60, we got the right answer. So we'll do it over here. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Carry the 1. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 60 and 60, check. It's the right answer. Okay. Same idea down here. Do the subtraction, then check the answers. So I did 20 for you. 90 take away 16. 0 take away 6, can't do it. Got to borrow from the tens. 9 turns to 8. 0 turns to 10. 10 take away 6 equals 4. 8 take away 1 equals 7. So now to check if I got the right answer, I will add 74 plus 16, or 16 plus 74. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 7 equals 9. And that's the number we started with, 90. So yes, we had the right answer. Now let's do this one together. 59 take away 24. Start in the ones place. 9 take away 4. 9 take away 1, 2, 3, 4. 9 take away 4 equals 5. 5 take away 2. 5 take away 1, 2 equals 3. 35. Now let's check. We're going to add 35. And we'll add 24. 35 plus 24. If it equals 59, we got the right answer. 5 take away 4. 5 take away 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm sorry, we're adding. My bad. 5 plus 4. 5 plus 1, 2, 3, 4 equals 9. And 3 plus 2. 3 plus 1, 2 equals 5. 59. Bingo, bingo, bingo. We did it. We did it. 59, 59. We got it. You starting to get it? We got 2 more to go, and I think you're going to understand it. Question 22. 33 take away 16. Start in the ones place. 3 take away 6. 3 take away 1, 2, 3. Oh no, we can't do that. We got to borrow from the tens place. 3 goes down to 2. 3 turns to 13. 13 take away 6. 13 take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 13 take away 6 equals 7. 2 take away 1. 2 take away 1 equals 1. So 17. Now we're going to go backwards. We're going to add 17 plus 16. And it should equal 33 if we did it right. Let's check. 17 plus 16. 7 plus 6. 7 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equals 13. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. 33 is the same. We got it. Okay, let me do this last one quick. Check it out. 4 take away 6, can't do it. Borrow from the tens. 8 turns to 7. 4 turns to 14. 14 take away 6 equals 8. 7 take away 6 equals 1. 18. Now we'll check. 66, I like to put the big number on top. 66 plus 18, it should equal 84. 6 plus 8 equals 14, carry the 1. 1 plus 6 equals 7. 7 plus 1 equals 8. 84, 84. Oh yeah, we did it. We did it. Uh-huh, we did it. You get it? You can use your addition to check your answers. That's what you're supposed to learn on this page. Okay. Let's move on. I'm being careful with my fingy so I don't smash the... Okay, this one's cool. I like this. Okay. Start with activity 1. Fill in the boxes. And this is all about cats. Fat cats, kitty cats, all the cats. And it's asking us how many ears, legs, and whiskers does one cat have? 2 cats, 3 cats, 4 cats, 5 cats. So one cat has 2 ears. One cat has 4 legs, and one cat has 6 whiskers. So if we had 2 cats, they would have... So if one cat has 2 ears, 2 cats would be 1, 2, 3, 4 ears. 3 cats would have 6 ears if you counted them all. Okay? And you might notice this is a lot like skip counting. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So 5 cats would have 10 ears. You understand? And now the legs. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So 4 cats would have 16 legs. You get it? Now whiskers. 1 cat has 6. 2 cats will have, well, it's double. So you could think of it like 6 times 2. Skip count by 6 2 times. 6, 12. And now what about 3 cats? 6 times 3. Skip count by 6 3 times. 6, 12, 18. Okay. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. So 5 cats would have 30 whiskers. Pretty cool, huh? Pretty cool. Activity 2. Jake was very hungry. His mom asked, "Would you like to have half of a small pizza or half of an extra large pizza? Color the choice that gives Jake more to eat." So, let's look at the keywords here. Jake was very hungry. His mom asked, "Would you like to have half of a small pizza or half of an extra large pizza?" Color the choice that gives Jake more to eat. More. So they're both half. Half, right? If you cut the pizza in half, so this one is the small, and this one is the extra large. So we're going to color the one where he's going to get more food. Of course, it's going to be the extra large because it's bigger than the other one, right? You can just see that. It's not a trick. Half of an extra large is much bigger than half of a small. How does the size of the whole pizza make a difference? Okay, now we have to explain what we just said. How does the size of the whole pizza make a difference? Okay, an XL pizza. XL means extra large. An XL pizza is bigger than a small pizza. Pizzeria, pizza, pizza. XL pizza is bigger than a small pizza. And I think we need to say one more thing. An XL pizza is bigger than a small pizza, comma. So half of an XL will be bigger than half of a small. Okay, let's read that. An XL pizza is bigger than a small pizza, so half of an XL pizza will be bigger than half of a small. Of course. Of course. We just have to explain our thinking. I think you knew right away looking at the pictures. Of course, the extra large will give you more. But in math, it's important to know how to explain how you got your answers. Okay, number of the day, and then we'll read and listen to another story on Epic Books. Triple digit number, and this one, a nice even 500. What a nice number, 500. Okay. Let's start at the top. How many in the hundreds place? 5 in the hundreds, 500s. Let's see, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. 500 equals 500. How many tens do we have? 0. 0 tens equals 0. And how many ones? 0. 0 ones equals 0. 500 plus 0 plus 0 equals 500. Plus 10, plus 10, plus 10. 500 plus 10. 500 plus 10. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 0 plus 1 equals 1. Drop the 5. 510. 510. Now take away 10. Take away 10. This is going to be trickier. 500 take away 10. Okay, slow down. 0 take away 0 equals 0. 0 take away 1. Can't do it. Got to borrow from the hundreds. 5 goes down to 4. 0 goes up to 10. 10 take away 1 equals 9. Drop the 4. 490. Okay. 1 more than 500 is 501. 1 less than 500 is 499. Is it odd or even? So remember, it's all about the last number. Odd numbers end with 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9, and even numbers end with 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Our number ends with a 0, which is even, so put a big check mark there. Round to the nearest 100. 400, 450, 500, 550, 600, and we are already at 500. So, since we're already on 100, we're not going to go down, we're not going to go up. We're sticking right where we are. Get out of here. You get out of here. We don't want you. Get out. Get out. We're happy right where we are. The nearest 100. Hey, we're already there, buddy. 500. Record on a number line. Starts at 0, goes to 1,000. What's right in the middle of 0 and 1,000? 500. Hey, that's all we got to do. Let's put a circle because it looks nice. Okay, we got it all. I did this for you. You have 5 in the hundreds place, 0 in the tens, 0 in the ones. What my numbers look like using base 10s. We already know we need 500s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 500 and 0, 10, 0, 1s. That's it. Record a number pattern starting at your number. Starting at your number. So we start at 500. Okay, let's do 25s and we're going to go backwards. You got to know how to go backwards. It's just as important as going forwards. 500, 475, 450, 425, 400, 375, 350. My number in words, 500. That's it. That's it. See, we're getting a little bit faster with number of the day. It's always the same questions, it's just different numbers. Pretty soon, You're going to be able to do this page in 3 minutes. Just takes practice. So that's today's lesson. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video, Wednesday, May 20th. And let's watch and listen to a nice book on Epic Books called Fabulous Food. And full screen. Hey. Ready? Wait. Sorry. Here we go. Fabulous Food.
Fabulous Food by Joe Cleland. Rourke Educational Media. Copyright 2013.
What makes bones grow? What makes teeth grow? Milk and yogurt, cream and cheese. Calcium makes them grow. What makes blood strong? What makes muscles strong? Fish and spinach, nuts and eggs. Protein makes them strong. Why can we move well? Why can we breathe well? Wheat and rice, oats and corn. Carbohydrates keep us well. We know what to eat. Fruits, veggies, bread, and meat. Fabulous food. Now let's all go and eat.
Okay. I actually want to go back to this page. Here. Okay. What makes bones grow? What makes teeth grow? Milk and yogurt, cream and cheese. Calcium makes them grow. Hi-ho the Mario. Da-do-da-do-da-do. Okay. Now these are the key words in that story. So glossary. This means, here's the important stuff. Calcium. Calcium. A soft white metal. So like in milk and yogurt, there's calcium when you drink it or eat it. Your body digests it and it'll take out the calcium and it'll put it in your bones. It makes you strong. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates. Energy food. So like rice and pasta and bread. It's the things that make you feel full, and then it lets you run around and be full of energy. That's why athletes, they like to eat a little bit of rice or pasta or oatmeal before a big game because it gives them lots of energy for a long time. Muscles, muscles, rope-like parts on the inside of your body that make your body move. So I want you to flex your arms right now. You feel those muscles? That's what makes you strong. That's what lets you pick things up. And you have big muscles and little muscles too, even in your fingers. Every part of your body is covered with muscles. That's why you can pick up a pencil and hold it and you don't drop it. Little tiny muscles let you do that. And then big, strong muscles let you pick up a box and put it in a truck. Protein, protein, strength food. So after you've had a long day, you're working out, you're doing lots of sports, running around, and then you go home, have some protein. That could be some moose meat, a protein shake, spinach, fish. Your body will digest that and take out the protein. And because your muscles at the end of the day really tired, and that's why you run out of energy. Oh, I can't lift another box. I have no energy. You go to bed, your body digests the protein, and it rebuilds your muscles. It makes them stronger. So when you wake up, you're actually a little bit stronger than the day before, if you're eating the right foods. Yogurt, yogurt, a creamy food made from milk. Yogurt is an excellent source of calcium. Okay. And I think there was a quiz. I like to do the quizzes. Let's see if we can get another 100%. I don't think we've ever got a question wrong. Here we go. Start the quiz. What makes your bones and your teeth grow? Candies, Coca-Cola, milk and cheese, or popcorn? So it's calcium, right? You get calcium from milk and cheese, not popcorn. What makes blood and muscle strong? Chocolate, McDonald's, pizza, fish, nuts, and eggs. So remember, we need protein to make your body get stronger. So chocolate, no. McDonald's, no. Pizza, no. A little bit of protein, but not really. Fish, nuts, and eggs. That's real protein. That's real food. Okay? You got to put healthy, strong food in your body if you want to get strong. McDonald's will not get you there. What makes us move and breathe? Rice and corn, chips, ice cream, pizza makes us breathe. What makes us move and breathe? So what gives us energy to run around all day? Remember, carbohydrates. Rice and corn, chips, ice cream, pizza. Rice and corn. Okay? Chips, ice cream, pizza, that's called empty calories. Pizza can be okay, especially if it's homemade. But rice and corn, really great carbohydrates. That'll give you energy to run around for all day. 100%, 3 out of 3. We're superstars. We already knew that. Okay, Wingnuts. Thank you for another excellent day of homework. And stay tuned for Tuesday's video. No, today is Tuesday. Stay tuned for Wednesday's video. Let's see. You thought he was going to be sad, but he's actually really happy. You want to know why this dude's happy? Because you did your homework. Yes, you did. Uh-huh. What's he gonna say? What's he gonna say? What's this dude with curly hair and a big bald spot gonna say? Bye, Wingy. See you. Take care of yourself. Drink water, carbohydrates, protein. Put good things in your body and you'll feel good. Okay? All right. Bye-bye. I'll see you tomorrow. Adios. Au revoir.